Sadhana batch. Today we are discussing about the process of fermentation. This Ganushan Asha explains how the fermentation process done, and me and Karthik will tell about the process. First, we take a plate and pour some maida. Now we mix yeast powder with the maida dough. Now we mix yeast and maida dough with some water. Now we mix both the maida and yeast with water. After 4 to 5 hours, the dough is rises up due to because the carbon dioxide released out from the dough. Result: the yeast is added with the maida and mixed with the water. The dough produces carbon dioxide out. This process is known as fermentation. Let our friend Karthik tells about importance and uses of yeast.
Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. Now I am going to explain about the importance and the uses of yeast. General introduction of yeast. Yeast is a eukaryotic single-celled organism. The size of the yeast is 3 to 4 micrometers. Importance and the uses of yeast. Yeast is used in the wine industries and alcohol industries because it gives a smell and taste. And in bakery and baking items, yeast is used.